Hey,
Hey,
what are you doing?
making breakfast for us because it's the weekend.
What are you making?
I'm making poached eggs for myself and scrambled eggs for you because you don't like poached eggs.
Do you want to show us how you make it?
Yeah, sure. Come on in.
I'm sure.
I'm making scrambled eggs for you. So we've got 2 eggs and some thick cream because that makes it more fluffy. Some salt and pepper. And some chili flakes. Then just mix it. So just squeeze that out. Put some olive oil because it brings out more taste, and a little bit of feta. So I'm just going to mash it now with a fork. So we don't even have to go to a cafe every weekend to have a nice brunch when we can do it under $10. So I'm just gonna put the smashed avocado.
I am.
Okay. What are you doing, Mikhail?
Exercise.
And exercise.
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. And drizzle some olive oil. And I'm gonna place your scrambled egg
Hey, Baba.
and ta-da!
Dora.
Your
What are you doing now?
I'm making poached eggs. So what I've done is I've boiled some water and I'm going to put some vinegar in it. Okay. And then I'm going to put the eggs in it. Just like that. So you just need to let it cook. See how it's turning white? It's poaching. While the eggs poach, I'm going to put some smashed devil for myself. Now the bread I'm using is the keto friendly one from Aldi. So you have to be very gentle when you're pulling or moving the egg inside. This is it. And the poached egg. Ta-da! That's my breakfast. And I can't wait to dig in now. So yeah, because I'm really hungry. Yeah. Do you like it?
You like it. Like
Oh my god, looks so good. I don't really need to go to a cafe every single weekend if I can just pull this off every weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is usually our weekend. So if you can't go out to a cafe and have brunch, this is what we do at home. So I hope you guys like this video because it's really simple and easy to achieve at home and save money as well, and just spend some time together in the comfort of your own house. Unless of course your friends are going, so you all want to go, that's fine. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great weekend. Bye.